Education is undergoing a digital revolution. We will never learn again like we used to. Online learning allows us to grow, improve or reinvent ourselves, and specialize in a particular field of study. Digital technology enables us to access a huge amount of information, and sometimes we can easily get lost through the content. So what is the key to efficient learning? DigiSchool develops an innovative community solution that facilitates access to the best educational content, such as apps, MOOCs, video, and much more. Thanks to DigiSchool services, you share, create, and request specific content. Our experts select the best ones for you and sort them by educational system, category, and proficiency level. Then you can discover interesting content tailored to your profile. You can also give your opinion for better classification. Indeed, communities are the main players when it comes to improving DigiSchool services. So, how are we able to achieve this? DigiSchool is a pioneer of digital education in France, as it was created in 2005. It now represents more than 3 million community members, 1 million app downloads, more than 200 institutional partnerships, and a team of 43 people. Log in to digischool.com from anywhere, at any time, for free. digischool.com, the learning touch.